This is a piano tutorial for We Three Kings, this time as a piano accompanist. So I'm going to show you the chords first for the right hand. And we're going to start with an E minor chord. We Three Kings. We're going to do that like this. B, E, and G. We Three Kings of Orient. There's a B7 chord there, which is A, B, D sharp, F sharp. Orient. Goes back to the E minor, B, E, G. We Three Kings of B7. Orient, then that repeats. E minor, B, E, G. Bearing this we traverse. There's B7, A, B, D sharp, F sharp. The far E minor again. Field and fountain. There's your D chord, D, F sharp, and A. Mountain, more. There's a G. D, G, B, more and mountain, following, that's C, E, that's an A minor chord, C, E, A on the top. Following yon, that's E minor again, B, E, and G on the top. Yonder, there's B7, A, B, D sharp, F sharp. Back to E minor. There's your D chord, A, D, F sharp, O, and G, B, D, G, star, wonder, star. There's a C chord, root position, C, E, G, star of light, another G, B, D, G, star with C chord, back to G, bright, E minor, B, E, G on the top, westwardly, there's a D chord, D, F sharp, and A, leading, there's a G, G, D, G, and B, and still, there's a C chord, E, actually, let's do that. Westward leading. There's your G chord. Still back down to C again. C, E, G. Still go. There's a G, B, D, C. There's a G. Guide us to thy purpose. C chord, perfect light, ends on a G chord. A couple measures there with some pretty quick moves. Westward leading, still proceeding. But a little work, you get through that. This is what it sounds like when you're all done. Oh, and then you've got to add your root note down low. So when I'm doing my E minor here, it's an E down there. There's my B7, I got a nice B note there. Whenever I'm playing a G chord, it's a G note. A minor, whatever the chord is named for, that's what you play down low as your bass note. This is what it sounds like when you're done.